Hi guys, this is peepingmoon.com and today we have with us, how should I put it? The one who is in the list of the 10 people you don't want to mess with. But I am ready here. Tell me with your Jambal, why we can't mess with you?
No, I'm not the one who made the list. So the people who made the list would know better.
But then, what was your first reaction when you got something of that sort?
No, my first reaction was no reaction. So I went through this list and it had flashed on my social media. And I saw this first really a monstrosity of a man standing bang against another robot. And I was petrified. I was like, dude, this list would have like really scary people. And I passed it. And 3 days later, I got a message from my fan page saying, "So congratulations, you're a part of the list." So I quickly went through the list, and there were these like really great luminaries of different forms. And I was quite happy. Then the first call I did was I called up my mom and I said, "Mom, now you have to stop telling me I've lost weight. You're looking so weak. You're so thin. Please read this list." So she was happy, and that's how it was.
Two different genres. Yara Khuda Half is totally different, totally. And the best part is both we have on OTT. It's going to be like for viewership for everyone, audience out there. Are you going to miss the box office jitters? Like this Friday feeling that oh my god, box office numbers. What will people say? Or do you think this is more of a relaxed place where you can let the people watch it at their own good pace and give out a verdict with time?
Yeah, I'm thoda na yaar, dude. I'm so happy in life that so much thinking is not happening in my life. Like, honestly, I like,
You're my first
seriously,
interview in so many months where someone is
huh?
so content. You're not like, just oh God, this is happening, that is happening. Everyone else is like,
No, yaar, life,
this, that.
I, no, honestly, when you decide, no, that the life is giving you more than what you deserve and you have asked for, I realize that it starts giving you more. So it's better to be like choosy. Hey, I want 500 crores, you'll get it. If you say I like whatever comes, then you get abundance, thousands, 2000, and you're like, dude, it's better to be ambitious than not being ambitious. No, seriously, my journey from playing imperceptible roles in South movies where I was not even the main villain to being called as one of the most like tarata people in the world, it's quite a journey. I didn't ask for it. I didn't have an ambition. The only thing I was doing constantly was constantly working towards being the perfect being.
Like maybe as an audience, we also turn a blind eye that oh, we only want to see Vidyut in an action, format, or maybe as a producer or a director. Of course, I can't speak in that capacity, but Vidyut as an action star. Do you think it limits your horizon when it comes to acting or exploring more roles? You're just limited to that one particular division.
You cannot contain the container, so I can't be limited. I'm talking about me on my personal behalf. How? There's so much to do, there's so much to be done, and I'm doing it. Khuda Hafiz is a complete switch from the being I am. It's a story of a man who fights till death to get his wife back.
Right.
Every human being would do it. Mother or sister, we would do it, right? But the different thing is that it's a story, it's a true story, and it's a story of this guy who's never fought in his life. So for me to completely disable those switches of
And to make it look
two,
natural.
so I had to really unlearn everything I know, like everything from the way somebody would hit me and I would block. Like the problem used to be the retakes were like, oh no, Vidyut, it looks like a train hit. I was like, dude, he's gonna really hit me. These guys are trained. So then something like that. But for me, so no limitation. Yeah, when the right time comes, no, it just opens up, and when it opens up, you have to be ready for it.
So is there a role which you're really looking forward to? Like a part you want to play? Like there are actors who are dying to maybe do a biopic. What about you? You there's something you want to do. There must be something you're yearning for.
Excellence. It could come in any form. I don't have an ambition. I came to Mumbai with a dream to do something with action because I'm a custodian. Dude, what are you smoking? I'm a custodian of the oldest martial art in the world called Kalaripayat. And for me, it's the biggest ambition. I didn't care whether I was playing a small role or a big role. I just wanted to do it. I just wanted to do it right. And life took me from there to here. And I promise you, there's no bigger achievement for me when, apart from when people tell me that, oh, Vidyu, Kalari Pai, like I got an award last year from Jackie Chan. And for me, it was a great honor. When he called me on stage, he hugged me and he said, Indian martial art exponent, Vidyu Jamwal, Kalari Pai. I was like, oh my God. So, not speaking in circumlocutions, I haven't thought of anything. I didn't think of Yara. I didn't think of Khuda Hafiz. It just happened and it just happened.
So, how do you pick your paths with you? Then I can ask at least this, if nothing else. What exactly is your trigger, your kick point, I should be asking? Like when something comes
Shirt kisme utregi? Sir, shirt kisme utregi? Acha, usme ye wala kar leta hu, sir. No, that's what
your interview is going to have
no, but do you know what I'm saying? Like, it's an assumption. Like, I meet people at parties. Vidyu, what protein are you having? No, that's not how you break ice. Like, there's so much more than just protein shakes. You know, saying, hey, Vidyu, how many hours do you work out for? Like, you know what I'm saying? So,
I think the most sought after role for you would be imagining you with Jackie Chan in a film. That would be the kind of thing maybe where you can say.
No, but I would love to do a comedy. I love, like, as a being, I really enjoy the comic side of me. People don't because they can't mess with me, but officially.
I think I'm looking forward to that. Like that will be one time when Noel will be asking you to take off the shirts and show those and make everyone laugh with that. So lastly, Vidyut, I have taken so much of your time and you've made me laugh so much.
I enjoyed it.
You have made me laugh. I'm taking the last question with you. Tell me, Vidyut, you have been the part of the glamour industry more or less 2 decades. Yeah, Glad Dragon was 2000 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 20 years and out of which 10 to 11 years you have been part of the films, be it down south, be it Bollywood. So I would rather call it a pan-Indian artist approach of yours.
I got lucky.
You got lucky. But with it, how you will, I know it's just a phase in your life as you have very properly told me, but how will you put it up? How will you sum up your journey if someone asks you? Journey in the first phase. There is more to come. Let me tell you. I'm really looking forward to more. But how will you sum up these 20 years? Because 20 years is monumental.
Dude, first things first, I'm going to tell you, please take 2 minutes extra for the interview. I need to say something to you.
Go on.
You are really kind. Number one, thank you for your kindness. Number one, it's a rare acquisition that people have. Really, quite cool. Arey ladki tum bahut sahi hai yaar. Please interview me more. I like this. Okay, go ahead. I can't take 2 minutes now.
Okay, I'll just simply ask. 20 years. I would say the first year, because there's more to come, of course. But how you will sum it, as you have said it so many times in this last course of few minutes, you have come from a place where films were not like, ऐसा नहीं था कि actor ही बनना है, actor बने. You are so grateful for everything which has come your way. But how will you, as Vidyut, some 20 years in entertainment, a very tough profession to survive after all?
Not really, but the thing here is, if I sum up my journey in the next 30 seconds or 1 minute, it will be a sin and it will be a crime to sum it up. It can't be summed up in these small little words. Really. That journey is so incredible, overwhelming, inspirational, spiritually taking me into an inward journey that if I sum it up, it will be such a crime on my journey. Really, it's been incredible. And my secret that I realized, I'll give you an embellishment apart from summing it up, is that if you rejoice in others' successes, there will be so much more for you. I swear, when I told you about your kindness, be happy, dude. It will come to you in abundance. Whatever I have looked back, when I look back in the last 20 years, when I was a model, and the senior models girls used to come running after them to get pictures clicked after Fashion Week. I used to not be envious. I used to be like, my God, how cool would that be, dude? So I was like I was rejoicing in their success. And like, for example, Vijay Varma had said in an interview recently that if you really from, like, when I met him on the set, and he's quite a cool dude. And I looked at him he's really a nice guy. And I looked at him the second day on the set and I was like, यार विजय वर्मा तुम बहुत बड़े स्टार बनोगे यार. So like, अरे नहीं यार बहुत मुश्किल है. You know, he's chaplus. So I genuinely, from the bottom of my heart, meant it, and I was the first guy who called him when I watched Gully Boy, and I was the first guy when I was overwhelmed. And this kind of happiness, if you can display towards everybody from within, and you imbibe this habit, I promise you, you will not be able to sum up your journey. It will be so incredible.
That's so sweet. But Vidyut, thank you so much. I would say this is just the beginning. There's more to come. Hope to interview even more. Get some more juicy lineup as well. So every time I can get on a call and we can take this kindness conversation ahead, definitely, for sure.
No, we can talk about protein shakes. We can talk about push-ups and dumbbells. I'm used to it.
You have already
regular questions.
You have given me the headline of removing the shirt. I am done for the day. But thank you, Vidyut, for your time. It was really lovely talking to you. Wishing you all the best for both the films. And we hope to see more of you abroad, international, national, but definitely in films, always.
Thank you. God bless you, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you. Bye.